Yeah. So the company was founded in 1999, and it was founded by a fellow who was a concert promoter, and he was designing a lot of club flyers and other marketing promotions for the concerts and events and things like that he was promoting, and started to take on orders from his other fellow promoters. Eventually, he was taking on so many orders that he actually started a printing business called Hotcards.com. And he grew the company quite a bit. I was selling commercial printing equipment at the time, and he was a customer of mine. He bought a bunch of printing presses and other printing equipment from me. I then bought the company from him in 2012. And there's a lot of corporate storefront platforms out there, but we really like OnPrintShop because of the flexibility. Specifically with like the business rules, there's a lot of functionality that needs to be customized to our customers' needs, and either OnPrintShop has that already, or it can be developed and deployed, which is a really nice feature. So we're not sort of stuck in a box. With 4over in particular, one of our larger vendors, we used to have to place every order manually on their website, and now OnPrintShop has that integration. Which has made it, for most orders, just a couple of clicks to process an order and approve a proof. And again, before that, it was a very manual process where we had to log in to their site to place those orders and track them and update shipping. Now shipping is updated automatically. That email goes out to the customer when their order is shipped with their tracking number. All of that used to be a manual process to keep that, some of the business, we've probably seen just in the past year with our storefronts, we've seen easily 150% growth in order volume, maybe even slightly more. User adoption and usage amongst our enterprise employees is easily doubled in the past few years as well. Some of the integrations to our suppliers have been a huge savings, where we don't have to spend as much time processing every order. Probably about 7 years ago, I think, with OnPrintShop, and we finally decided to make the switch after a pretty comprehensive review with your sales team of, okay, here's what our current storefront platform is doing, delivering, how can we migrate all of these customers to a new platform, and not, first of all, make the experience seamless for them, but also make it better, not just a lateral move, but an actual improvement. Custom development is really, I think, a huge advantage with OnPrintShop, and you all do a very, solid job of detailing out the SOWs whenever we have a custom development project, and making it affordable and making it efficient, and so we sort of get the best of both worlds, or of all worlds, price, quality, and speed, which is, rare in any business, let alone the software business, for sure.
Right.
So yeah, that's, we've had, like any business, we've had bumps and challenges, etc. and over the years, but we have an immense amount of trust that we'll always get through them with OnPrintShop, which is, why we've stuck around for many years and will continue to do so.